Hi everyone, my name's Greta and I'm from Plann. Today I'm going to share 4 effective strategies for you to grow organic followers on social media. If you want to grow a genuinely engaged audience, then just keep watching. The first step is to optimize your social media profiles. Remember, you only have seconds to grab a user's attention, so you want to make sure your profile leaves a strong first impression. This starts with clear and consistent branding. Align your profile picture, cover photo, and bio with your brand identity. Craft a cultivating bio here, something that tells users who you are and what value you bring. And don't forget to add a link in bio where you can drive traffic to your website or your other social media platforms. Next, create engaging content. To attract social media users and to engage your followers, you need valuable and captivating content that resonates with your audience. Understand your audience by analyzing your content's performance. You can do this by using insights. Create valuable content that your audience not only finds helpful, but also shareable. And don't forget to take that next step by encouraging engagement by adding polls or asking questions. Number 3 is use relevant hashtags to expand your reach. Hashtags are your golden ticket to increasing your visibility on social media. But you're probably asking, how do I find the right hashtags for my account? Research industry-specific hashtags, mix popular and niche hashtags, and be specific and contextual. Using the right hashtags helps users find your content and expands your reach to the right audience. You can save time by using Plann's curated done-for-you hashtag sets. These have been optimized for you to find your perfect potential audience, and I'll link a video below with a tutorial on how to use them. Finally, create a consistent posting schedule. This not only increases your visibility and builds trust with your audience, it also tells the algorithm that you're reliable and that they can keep pushing your content out. Choose a posting frequency that works for you and your schedule and stick to it. The key here is to consistently serve your audience with valuable content. Now you can save even more time here by using a scheduling tool such as Plann. And here we can really help you. You can even set up auto posting so that you don't have to constantly remember to post. You can plan out your posting schedule weeks ahead and you're ready to go. Remember, growing an engaged audience takes time, effort, and strategy. But with our tips, you'll be on your way to organic growth in no time. Do you want to check out an extra tip to boost your followers? Head to the first link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to also subscribe below because there will be a lot more videos like this coming your way. And last but not least, don't forget to sign up for a free 7-day trial for Plann. Until I see you next time, happy planning.